In this design, we'll be creating a simple square track light layout with spotlights. It's a clean and modern setup that's perfect for highlighting key areas in a space. Start by placing the rectangular recessed track light. Adjust the length and profile width if needed. Turn off the full light visibility. Next, place a linear track in the center of the rectangular light. Make sure the profile width matches the rectangular light for proper alignment. Copy and paste it accordingly. For the next family, use track spot 04. Adjust the dimensions based on your preference. Place 2 spotlights on each side, positioned next to each other. Then place the last 2 spotlights on the bottom right to match the inspiration design. Finally, use track linear 02. Don't forget to adjust the track height and width. Place it on the top left. Then copy and paste it to the top right. After that, copy and paste it again to the bottom left and bottom right. For this lighting setup, we'll create a design that smoothly extends from the wall up to the ceiling. It's a clean and modern approach that helps visually connect both surfaces. Place one surface-mounted L-shaped track on the ceiling. Adjust the length and profile width to match the inspiration design. Turn off the top and bottom lights. Mirror the family to make sure the orientation is correct. Next, place a surface-mounted linear track on the wall. Adjust the length, and turn off the top and bottom lights. Select Pendant 06. Adjust the length, height, and support height as needed. Copy and paste the family so they are placed next to each other. Add track spot 02. Adjust the dimensions. Copy and paste it again right beside the first track spot. Since Revit doesn't allow vertical rotation for some families, place a linear wall track first. Once it's placed, change it to a track globe. Copy and paste it again as needed. In this setup, we'll be making an abstract lighting design that combines linear track lights with spotlights. This creates a modern, dynamic look while keeping the layout flexible. To make things easier, use a reference line as a guide. Adjust the length and profile width as needed. Turn off the full light visibility. Place the X-shaped recessed trimless track light. Next, select the linear recessed trimless light. Adjust the dimensions and turn off the full light option. Now, add track spot 01. Adjust the length and width. Set the fixture angle to 90 degrees. Start placing it in your desired locations. For this setup, we'll design a suspended oval track lighting system with spotlights. This layout is great for creating a focal point while keeping the lighting flexible. Use the suspended oval racetrack as the base. Adjust the dimensions as needed. Turn off the bottom light visibility. Add track spot 06 and adjust its length. Copy and paste it as needed. In this setup, we'll design a continuous wall-to-ceiling track using L-shapes, linear tracks, spots, pendants, and globe lights. This type of design is clean, flexible, and visually connected. Start by placing the recessed trimless L-shaped track. Adjust its length and turn off the full light visibility option. For the wall light, use the linear recessed track with external trim. Adjust the length and turn off the light visibility option. Place it on both ends of the L-shaped track and align them properly. Next, start placing the pendants. Use pendant 02 and adjust its dimensions as needed. For the second pendant, use pendant 06. Set its support height slightly longer than the first one. Add track linear 01 and adjust the dimensions as needed. Now let's move on to the wall lights. Since Revit doesn't allow some families to rotate vertically, start by placing track linear 01, then change it to track linear 03. Place another linear track in the middle. Copy and paste it below, then change it to track linear 02. In this setup, we'll design a straightforward linear track lighting layout using pendants and spots. This is an easy and flexible design that's perfect for beginners. Start by placing the linear recessed trimless track light on the ceiling. Make sure the full light visibility option is turned off. Place track spot 01 and adjust the dimensions as needed. Copy and paste it, then change the fixture direction to 180 degrees. Next, start placing the pendants. Use Pendant 08 and adjust the support height as needed. Copy and paste it, then set the support height slightly longer than the first one. For this design, we'll build a circular track lighting layout that combines curved linear lights with spotlights. It's a modern setup that adds movement and visual flow to the ceiling. Start by adding a circular recessed trimless track light. Adjust the radius, then turn off the full light visibility option. Place it at the center of the guideline. Add another circular light and make it larger than the first one. Next, start adding the inner lights. Use track linear curved 02 and place it at the top of the inner circle. Don't forget to adjust the dimensions. Copy and paste it to the left, right, and bottom parts of the inner circle. Now, place track linear curved 01 at the midpoint of each curved track you just placed. Copy and paste it as needed. Then place track linear curved 01 on the outer circle. Adjust the fixture arc diameter and follow the guideline from the previous track. Copy and paste it as needed. Next, place track linear curved 02 and adjust the dimensions. Add track linear curved 02 again in the positions shown in the video. Place track curved spot 01 and adjust the fixture diameter so it matches the outer circle. You can also adjust the fixture direction and angle of the spotlight for better accuracy. Position it on the right side of the outer circle. For this design, we'll place linear track lights vertically on the wall to form a clean outdoor lighting pattern. It's a simple approach that adds rhythm and visual interest to exterior walls. Start by clicking the component drop-down menu. Select Model in Place, then choose the wall category. Click Void Forms, then select Void Extrusion. Choose a plane, then click the wall where the track lights will be placed. Follow the guidelines to create the pattern. Once finished, click Cut and apply the pattern to the wall. Adjust the extrusion depth. For this design, it's best to keep it as thin as possible. Next, use track linear 01 and adjust the length as needed. Start placing the tracks along the guidelines. In this setup, we'll build a half-circular lighting layout arranged in a clean, consistent pattern. It's a simple way to add movement and visual interest to the space. For this track design, use the circular half-recessed track with external trim. Adjust the diameter so it matches the guide. Copy and paste as needed. Make sure all tracks are properly aligned.